You can smoothly install your eSIM with just a few clicks by choosing the direct installation method and following the steps below. One, go to My eSIMs. Tap on Details. 2. Select Install eSIM. 3. Tap on Install Now at the bottom of your screen for initiating the installation. 4. Tap on Add Cellular Plan. 5. Label the eSIM. 6. Choose the preferred default line to call or send messages. 7. Choose the preferred line to use with iMessages and Facetime. Choose your Airalo eSIM plan as your default line for cellular data, and do not turn on Allow Cellular Data Switching to prevent charges from your other line. Select your Airalo eSIM under Cellular Plans. Ensure that Turn on this line is toggled on. 11. Go to Network Selection and select the supported network. 12. Go to Cellular Data Network and update the Cellular Data APN field to the APN advised on your eSIM installation page, and leave the remaining fields blank. Turn on data roaming if required on your eSIM installation page. If you still have any questions, please email support@airalo.com.